In this video, we're going to be replacing the blower motor resistor in this 2013 Hyundai Elantra. It's located underneath the glove box. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the electrical connector from the resistor. The tab is on top, just squeeze down and pull straight back. You can move that aside. You have two Phillips screws holding it in. Just going to use a small Phillips screwdriver. All right, and the second screw is a little tougher to get to. Maybe you just switch your tools out to a smaller screwdriver. We just have a Phillips Bit on our ratchet. And you can just pull that resistor straight out. Alright, with the new resistor, you'll notice that there's a cutout on one side. It can only go in one way. Line that up. Set that in there. And we can start threading our screws back in. All right, we're just going to switch out, make it a little bit easier on ourselves. Now we can take our electrical connector, plug it back in. And you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.